find the area of the region bounded by this equation, or function, curve, whatever you want to call it. This one, y equals 1 plus 2x, and the y-axis. Hey, let's graph this on our graphing calculator to get an idea what this looks like. These are our functions. Let's hit graph now. Oh man, I want to see this point of intersection. I'm going to change the window. This is a standard window, so that means my last x value right here is a 10. I'm going to change that to, let's make the last x value 15. So I go to x max. Oops, I skipped it. X max, where you at? I'm going to make this a 15. Okay, now I hit graph, and now I'm going to be able to see my x-intercept. I like that. And then there you go. Okay. So, can you guys draw this sketch really fast on your paper and shade the region that we're going to find the area of? Go. No, stop saying on to him. Stop it. Okay, this was what the question said. It said the region between this one, and the y-axis. So you should have shaded this. Okay? Now, shh. I just want to talk for a minute. You see, if I found the area underneath the curve of the blue curve, then this is what I would find the area of. That part. Right? If I found the area underneath the red curve, I would find the area of this part. Does that make sense? And then you would subtract them, so then you would just be left with this. So, which one is our upper curve? Which one's our upper curve? The blue one, 6 minus x. No, it was 1/2 x. And then, what's my lower curve? It was 1 plus 2x, right? So I'm subtracting the upper curve from the lower curve. So when does that y-axis come into play here? What am I missing in order to find this answer? My lower bound and upper bound. What's my lower bound? 0. What's my upper bound? Oh, snap. What is it? Now remember, these numbers are x values. They are x values. If I knew this point right here, would I know what the upper bound is? Yeah, okay. Now, I know I don't need to do this, but I'm going to anyways. I'm going to find that point of intersection using my calculator. Can you guys press second and then calc? You see that number 5, it says intersect? Select it. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, the calculator is saying, okay, give me one of the curves. What's your first curve? Okay, that one's my first curve. What's your second curve? Yeah, sure, you're on the red curve, that's my second curve. Okay, then it says, alright, make a guess. Well, I'm going to move my cursor over next to the point of intersection that I want. Now, it's not that important for this problem because there's only one point of intersection. Sometimes you have other problems that have more than one point of intersection. In that case, it's important that you drag your little star thing right there over close to the point of intersection that you're looking for. So now I hit enter, and then it finds my point of intersection. X is 2, y is 5. So we have 2, 5 here. So we go 2 right here. Alright, can we simplify what's inside the integrand? Heck yeah, diggity doggies. Let's make that a -1 and -2. Okay, what is negative 1/2 x plus negative 2x? That's going to be negative 2 1/2 x. 6 plus -1. That's going to be 5. So we have dx right here, and we go whoosh, 0 to 2. Alright, let's do our antiderivative. Oh, boo. I don't like mixed numbers when I do antiderivatives. Let's change that. That's going to be 5 over 2. 5 over 2, right? Right. 5 over 2. Okay, let's do it. X to the second power, and I have to divide this by 2. That's the same as multiplying by 1/2. So let's go -5 over 4, because 2 times 2 would be 4. Plus 5x, and then I'm going to plug in the 2 and then the 0 to find my answer. Let's do it to it. Let's go over there. Let's plug the 2 first. We have 5 over 4. That's negative, right? And we have 2 raised to the 4th power. Is that right? No. 2 raised to the 2nd power. And then we have plus 5 times 2. And we're going to subtract from that. Oh, you got to plug in 0? All these have an x. So it's just 0. What do we get? This is 4. What's 4 times -5? Over 4? Negative 5.
Oh, Maria.
Plus 10. What is negative 5 plus 10? 5. That's your answer.